I'm Katie Chen. I'm a food blogger, a cookbook author, and a working mom. My cooking videos are all about fast, fresh, and fabulous Asian recipes that anyone can make at home. Hi, I'm Katie Chen. Welcome to the Sweet and Sour Chronicles. Today, I'm so thrilled to have my dear friend Randall the Honey Badger.
Yay! I'm so excited to be here in the kitchen with Katie Chen. This is crazy.
Oh my God, I'm so honored that he's here. He's a YouTube sensation. I'm sure you knew that. But in his honor, I wore a snake dress.
Oh.
I hope it doesn't eat me.
Such a badass.
Oh my God, speaking of badass, we're making badass turkey meatballs today.
Oh, turkeys are so cray-cray. Amazing. And FYI, the only time it's okay to not be a vegetarian is if you're in the kitchen with Katie Chen.
That's right. I'm gonna change you.
Let's do it. I want to eat this turkey.
Okay, we're gonna start with some turkey, and then we're gonna start with some egg.
I'm just gonna laugh at this.
Okay, and then some ginger.
Oh, ginger, hi.
And some salt.
Oh, how is Oh, great.
All right, now will you get your hands dirty? Can you smush it all up?
Yes.
Okay,
Certainly.
smush,
I'm gonna
smush,
smush,
smush.
smush. I'm smushing.
Yeah, you smush, but you don't want to handle your meatballs too much. We'll just kind of toss it all together, yeah, because they might fall apart otherwise.
So not too much ball handling.
Not too much ball handling. I know that that's a frequent.
Oh, stop
I was
it.
gonna say.
I knew what you were gonna say.
I knew what I was gonna say. That's excellent massage.
Is this good? I'm
Yes.
just trying to give this bird.
Are you available on weekends and evenings?
Yes.
Are you okay?
Yes.
All right.
And I'm very, I can do acupuncture too.
Excellent, because that's what we're doing next.
Oh, what?
Ah!
No!
All right, that's excellent massaging.
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna just.
Like a cat. I can do this little kneading. Turkey.
Okay, so let's just make some nice meatballs.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna make these appetizer sized.
Oh, okay.
All right, instead of big balls.
Yeah, I was about to make some big balls.
I prefer small balls to big balls. How about you? Okay. About
It's
this
all
size
relative.
is good. Okay, that's right. There we go.
Okay.
About that size?
Okay.
All right, good.
Well, wait, I got
All
it
right.
here.
You're a real baller.
I'm telling you, I don't need to be such a baller here. But this is just too, okay. Like this? Maybe that's
Perfect.
I'm worried about my balls, Katie.
I know.
Because
You know what? They're very tender. All right.
Don't make me blush. Don't make me
Too
blush,
late.
Cobra.
Okay, so we're just gonna keep balling our balls, and
Okay.
we'll be back to saute in a minute. And we're back. We're ready to brown our balls.
Okay, let's brown them.
Could you just put a little oil in there for me?
Yes, absolutely. Oh, that's too much.
No, that's good. That's good. That's good.
Okay.
That's perfect. Perfect. Okay. Oh my God.
I get very hesitant sometimes in the kitchen because I'm really more of an eater than a lover. I'm more of an eater than a fighter. I'm more of an eater than a cook, is what I mean to say.
Oh my. Oh,
Oh!
no. Oh no. Okay.
Ball
Don't tell
overboard!
anybody.
I say nothing.
Don't say anything. 5 seconds. Oh Jesus.
Ooh, there we go.
Oh my goodness.
It's okay.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Get over there.
All right. You want to
Run, turkey, run. Yes.
Yeah, that was awesome. We're just gonna brown these for about 5 minutes.
That's all it takes.
That's all it takes because
Wow.
it's gonna continue cooking in the sauce.
Oh, okay. Oh, it already smells delish.
Smell good?
Yes.
Excellent job.
Like this.
Okay, so we just kind of get a nice brown on one side and then we'll flip it over. Clear
Delicious.
those sinuses.
I haven't even tried any of these balls, but I know that they're delicious from the smell.
They smell great. Now they're almost completely brown, so we're gonna just finish these up and we'll get ready to make the sauce. Now it's time to make the sauce.
Wow!
And this sauce is boss.
The sauce is
This
boss.
sauce is boss.
What are we, how do we make
This
a
is
sauce?
a Penang curry sauce.
Okay.
A badass Penang curry sauce. So I'd like you to just pour some coconut milk in there.
Ooh, coconuts.
Yeah.
Just like this, all around there. There's the coconuts.
That's right.
Okay.
We have to wait for this to come to a boil, and then it boils for like 3 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. Now that the coconut milk has been boiling for a while, we're gonna add our Penang curry paste.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put some here
Okay.
and some over here.
Okay. It's gonna taste better that way. So now you're gonna take this spatula and break it up.
Okay.
Okay.
Break up. Break up.
Just kind of smooth it out so it blends with the coconut milk.
Make like you just met on OK Cupid and break up.
Break up.
Oh, I'm sorry, that was terrible. Now wait a second, it's very sticky.
Yeah, okay, so we're gonna just go like this.
Okay.
This is what I do. I just kind of like break it up like this in little pieces, stir it around.
Oh.
See? Doesn't that smell yummy and spicy?
Yes.
So Penang curry is slightly milder than red curry.
Oh.
But if you don't have Penang curry, you can use red curry. It's totally fine.
And where can someone get this Penang curry?
You can get it in an Asian market, but you many times can find red curry paste just like at Ralph's or Vaughn's or,
Okay.
you know.
Who's
and
Ralph?
Don't you know Ralph?
Should I go to Ralph's?
Yeah. Why not?
I like Now, you know, have you ever seen John's?
Yes, yes.
The different version of Vaughn's?
Yes. One
John's?
time I drove by a John's where
Yeah.
they just took down the V from the Vaughn's and put it in and you could tell.
I love it.
You know what I mean? It was like, you could tell and then they didn't care.
They don't care, please. You think John cares?
John doesn't
Please,
care.
John don't care. Anyways, this is amazing. Oh, wow.
Good.
Look at that, it's
now,
gorgeous.
Just hold this for me.
Okay.
And now to this we're gonna add some water.
Okay.
Stir it around.
There's...
Some brown sugar.
Wow.
Break that up.
Brown
This is
sugar.
Fish sauce is gonna lend the salty to the sweet, sour, salty.
That's my friend. I love
sauce
fish.
is your friend.
Yes.
Do you know what it's made out of?
No.
Dried anchovies. Fermented anchovies.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is a kaffir lime leaf. Smell that.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that amazing? Kaffir lime leaf, nothing like it. Intoxicating, fragrant, aromatic.
How are you finding these things?
You know, I have my sources. Okay, now we're gonna stick our turkey balls back in.
Okay.
Okay.
Here they come. Oh,
Okay, watch it. I'm
Jesus.
sorry. Are you okay?
Oh, okay.
We're just gonna let these simmer now.
Yes.
Simmer down and
Simmer.
continue cooking. And then
Wow.
Okay, you ready to plate these big balls?
Yes, I sure am.
Do you want some tongs?
Tongs, tong, tong, tong. Okay. Remember the Tong song? That was a big hit with the kids. It's actually the thong song.
The thong.
It's about thongs. But I always thought he was saying tongs.
Okay.
And I was like, really? The hip hop scene are all about tongs? That's marvelous. Wow, these, I mean, I'm probably not doing the best job in placing them,
really
but
good, though.
they look and smell
You're doing great.
amazing.
Now we have to put some sticks in your balls.
Okay. Ouch. They're like voodoo
They're
balls.
voodoo- they're
Ow.
badass
Ow, stop!
Badass voodoo balls.
Badass turkey voodoo balls. Oops, I lost my tongue.
It's alright.
Wow.
Wow. Aren't you excited to eat these?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You hold these. While
okay.
these are cooling off, I just wanted to say, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below. Let us know what your favorite balls are. Also subscribe for more fast, fresh, and fabulous Asian cooking videos. Are you ready to dig in?
Yes!
All right. You did a good job on these.
These are great. Wait, the fuck is happening? How come you're taller than I am? I'm shrinking, Katie.
What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say about my food? Fuck you! Fuck off!
Ah!
Go to hell! Please check out my latest cookbook, Everyday Thai Cooking, available on Amazon and fine booksellers everywhere.